Excited to be here with you today to talk about Akuity Intelligence. Akuity Intelligence combines Insights dashboards and Akuity Agents. Akuity Agents includes the Promotion Advisor, the Deployment Advisor, and the On-Call Agent. Let's dive into the demo and see them in action. We'll deploy an application, take it through development, staging, and production, and along the way, you'll see how Akuity Agents provide advice on deployments, promotion, and even help diagnose incidents in production. Let's start with the Promotion Advisor. This gives you real-time insight on deployment stages, evaluates the risk of promoting applications from development to production, and helps your team ship software more safely and efficiently. Here's our Kargo pipeline. We will start with development, promote to staging, and then to production. I have two versions, 1 and 2. Let's promote 2. Click Promote, select the new version. I don't know this app very well, so I'll use Promotion Advisor to compare versions and check the risks before continuing. The Promotion Advisor reviews both versions. It shows the differences, gives advice on risk, low, medium, or high, and it summarizes all the changes. I can see the differences. Looks like small changes and a medium level of risk. Let's promote. The app is now in development. I can send it to staging. And from staging into production. But in production, something is wrong. The app is degraded. No problem. We have Deployment Advisor. Click the magic wand and ask what's wrong. The Deployment Advisor checks Argo. It sees the context, the resources, and the logs, and it starts troubleshooting. Here's the issue. The probe is set to port 30,000, but the logs show port 3,000. The Deployment Advisor proposes a fix. 2 changes. I click Apply. Done. The fix is applied. The app is now healthy again. With Deployment Advisor, your team gains expert-level guidance, faster incident resolution, and safer deployments. From degraded application to healthy. From unknown to resolved. That's the power of the Akuity Agents in the Akuity platform. Now let's look at another example of using the Akuity Agents to automatically resolve an issue. The On-Call Agent steps in immediately when incidents happen, performing root cause analysis, creating or updating incidents, and even suggesting, creating, and executing runbooks automatically. Before, we had to prompt the application to troubleshoot, patch, and fix. But what if this happens at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m.? Can it fix itself automatically? To simulate this, we'll use an application that generates an out-of-memory issue. We'll resync the app so it returns to a degraded state. Now the degraded state is active, and the platform is already analyzing what's going on. In the previous demo, we had to ask the Akuity Agents directly, what's wrong? This time, we'll use a runbook. A runbook is a set of human-readable instructions. Here, the runbook asks the Akuity Agents to start with an initial triage. Understand what's happening, but don't take any action automatically. We want the agent to request approval before resolving the issue. We also specify timing rules. For example, check status after 5 minutes, 30 minutes, or apply changes after 15 seconds. In this case, the proposed solution is to temporarily increase memory by 50 megabytes. If I open the Incident tab, you can see the Akuity Agents in action. It has already started triage, building an incident summary, out of memory detected. It has applied the runbook. The Akuity agents inspected the resources, verified the paths, and proposed a change. Increase memory from 128 megabytes to 178 megabytes. I'll go ahead and approve that. The patch is applied successfully, the root cause is validated, the incident information is updated, and finally, the incident is resolved. Now, we can review the incident history, what happened, the root cause, and the full timeline for auditing. This shows how powerful the Akuity platform with Akuity agents can be. Deploy and promote applications, diagnose and troubleshoot issues in real time, and even resolve them automatically through runbooks. Learn more about Akuity Intelligence, part of the Akuity platform. Start your free trial today and see it in action.